Okay, this one's going to be a video for radicals and roots. I know a lot of you sometimes have come up with a little check mark thing that you use for a radical. No check marks. Check marks are, handwritten in my opinion. So let's learn how to do them well. Okay, if we want radicals and roots, just like we've done before, you can insert. Now, on an apple, you can use document elements, but most of you, if you don't have it, insert, you look for the word equation. That's what you're looking for. When that comes up, you should be able to click on something that, if this doesn't come up looking just like this, hit the equation bar where it says equation with that little pi symbol. We want a radical. It says radical right there. I'm going to click right there. If you just want a basic square root, you'll use this. And if I wanted the square root of 3x, I've got the square root of 3x. And that is what we use the most there. Occasionally, you might need to use something other than a square root, so you could do it by going back to radical. Right here, you can choose the index. This is not usually used. We don't usually put a 2 here. It's an understood 2 if nothing's written. But say I wanted the cube root, I could use that, or I could create my own cube root by going and clicking in the little box, the 3, and if I wanted the cube root of 27x, say that I wanted that x squared. Well, I've got to come back and highlight the x. Then I could hit script and square it from there. That is if I thought about it afterward. If I think about it before it, I would want to go ahead and put it in and fill in. You can create your whole structure. I could have done that by insert equation. I want to create the entire structure. I know I want a cube root inside of there, and inside of that, I know that I'm going to want an exponent. So I could come up here and hit the exponent. So to recreate the same thing, 3, I'm going to need to be inside here for the x. Click in the little blank, squared. Then I would need to be able to go inside and put the 27 in front of the x. There are lots of ways of making that happen. Just be sure that when you finish, it looks correct. Hope this will help a little bit.